Now the brakes.
No, stop sign.
Hold on.
Oh, there are some people in the back who are getting off too.
Yeah, it is. I'd assume so. Change them off every 3 to 4 days. Really? Yeah. Wow.
3 or 4 days they have to change the brakes.
Makes sense. It would. They always, they love working weekends. I think it's near the end. End of its life.
I think it's the end of my turn.
It held just fine on the hill.
Cable Car Museum.
All right, thank you.
Woo, he scared me, man. All right, this stop is for the Cable Car Museum.
All right.
Oh, before we go downhill, nice.
We have some space up front.